We found a waterfall by Google and it's huge. It's a huge drop. But this one here is small. It's not exactly not the correct one. Got like almost 30 feet drop, you know. I am here in the Minas. That was crazy. All right, folks. What's up? Enrique Morris YouTube channel adventure. Making a crazy, you know, appear here in Minas Gerais, right? This beautiful state here have so much, you know, to give and offer. And I'm hiking here to discover in the city of Bueno Brandão. And this Bueno Brandão city is a small town. You know, you can come by car or bike, or like me, you know, walking because I don't have a car, you know, to come here and, you know, see this waterfall, you know. So actually I found with a good friend of mine, you know, Creepy, that's his name. He doesn't like to review his identity, but anyhow, in the GPS and the Google, we try hard and we found something really, really beautiful here. Apparently, the pictures, there's not much to see, but I am here to bring you as much as possible for all of you folks, right? Stay here with me, don't go away. This gonna be, I don't know. It's okay, it's okay. Wow, some cow here, a lot of cow. Are you guys afraid of the cow? No, me. No, me. I'm gonna bring those shots for you guys. Let's see. It's supposed to be a crazy drop here, but I don't see anyone. I just found that one here. However, this is just beautiful here. Wow. Like I say, guys, well, I don't know if I told you, this is in the private, you know, fazenda or place. So nothing wrong with this. You come here just to take a picture, and that's it. Let's get approaching and see this beauty. Like, all right, folks, I'm going back in the road. Jesus, just running back because it's late. We don't got much light to film this huge waterfall. I found it with the drone, and I thought I was in exactly waterfall. I mean, in the right waterfall. We found a waterfall by Google, and it's huge. It's a huge drop, but this one here is small. It's not exactly not the correct one. We do the wrong one here right now. So I'm gonna try to get there and get those images and accomplish the mission. All right, folks. Let me see if I can make it. All right. Wow. Yeah, this is a sign. This is it. This is it. At this point, you gotta go in the road from that there, or whatever you're coming from, and it is entrance. There is. It's down here. On car, motorbike. It's pretty much easy, you know. Just park the car. It's not a car park, but yes, you can park your car on the road. I don't guarantee how safe it is or whatever. This is Minas Gerais. People tell me it's a very safe place. But for me, I am here for one mission, to show you this waterfall, shot with the drones, or whatever I can do for all of you guys. It's not much light, daylight, but it's beautiful here. What the F is this? Oh my sweet Jesus. Oh my sweet Jesus. Oh my God. Cachoeira da Cobra. Cachoeira da Cobra or da Cascavel, sorry. Whatever, you know, Cachoeira of the Snake waterfall. Guys, this is sick, this is insane. You can come here. It's a short hike, guys. Nothing long, nothing heavy. I think anyone can come, but gotta be aware because it's a huge drop. When I say a huge drop, it's like a big fucking drop. I mean, guys, dangerous. I can't imagine this place with a high rain season. It's crazy here. That was crazy. Valió la pena venir aquí. It works the time. You know the A4 to come all the way here. Guys, to show you this. I want to show you more, to show you this place. I'm more happy because Jesus, it is a huge drop. Got like almost 30 feet drop, you know. So guys, you saw it with your eyes. Enrique Morris delivered for all of you guys a new shot, a new adventure. And what else I can say? Me folks, subscribe to my channel if you're new. I am here in the Minas Gerais, the wonderland for those who are looking for adventures, waterfall, cape, and so much more, man. And the people are very humble, very nice, friendly. The food is awesome. So much more to come in ahead, you know, my channel, guys. Stay tuned. If you like all this video, man, or whatever are your thought or anything positive you got in your mind, just leave it in your comment. You know, for more details about all these places and my gears, check in my description. Until the next time, big hop, love, all the energy. Take care of the nature environment. Enrique is out. I gotta go home. Long way back.